loves, today I have, do you guys see this? A huge Pikachu Funko Pop unboxing. Like, what the heck is this? I mean, I kind of feel like this is bigger than my 18-inch, I think it was, Harry Potter pop. But I'm pretty sure sometimes the box can throw you guys off and it might seem otherwise, but I think this is bigger, and for some odd reason I don't see how big it is on this box, and they didn't even state this. I didn't even know, oh whoa, let's put that down. I didn't even know that this existed. And when my brother took my sister and I into GameStop, I saw this, I fell in love. We walked out of the store, and then we got in the car after we went grocery shopping, and then my brother goes, I'll be right back. So my sister and I are just like chilling in the car and we're reading, and then he comes back and he surprised me with this. And I freaked out because I just saw, you know, a giant Pikachu like box just like bopping through the parking lot, and I'm like, did somebody just buy that? But I had a feeling he went back and got it for me because I know my brother, and he did get it for me. I gotta make sure that this is in focus because you wouldn't believe how far back, like my camera's like all the way back there because this thing is so big and my head was getting cut out of the frame, so I had to stay, you know. I hope to God that this is focusing right now. By the way, you might notice that I'm wearing a Cobra Kai shirt. I am not Cobra Kai. I am not on their team. I am on Ralph's team, Team Miyagi-Do, but Cobra Kai is such an awesome epic show, so hence the shirt. Got it in the men's section at Walmart, so you know, if you wanted one, there you go. So let me shut up now and like, let's open this Funko Pop. I had this for almost a week now, and I don't know how I'm so patient because I am not patient. And I got this, and I wanted to wait for you guys to open it because I can't get something as epic as this and, you know, not do it with you guys because that would be wrong. Like I said, I didn't even know that this Funko Pop existed in my life. I didn't know that there was any such thing, and I follow a lot of Funko pages, and I never saw this. I never ever saw this. It was at GameStop, like I said. Oh man, this is a lot of tape. Do you guys remember the Harry Potter pop, the 18-inch one that I got? I think it was 18 inches, yeah. It's been a while. That took some muscle. So let's see if I can open this. Let's not break this. I literally just had lunch. I had a late lunch. I was shopping with my sister and my mom earlier, and we went to the mall. I went to box lunch because I did a buy online pick up in store order, and then I did a and I had a lot of box lunch money to use, and you know, it always works out the best. Like their prices, when you use your box lunch money and then you have rewards acquired, like it comes up so cheap and it's amazing. Like the first purchase, I got it was $120 and my total came down to $72 with the box lunch money and the rewards. And then today's purchase, I picked up this about $130 worth of stuff and it came down to $72 again. I was like, can I get a what? Because that is not bad. I saved a lot of money and I got a lot of awesome stuff, so that wasn't bad at all. So yes, we went to the mall today, box lunch. I spent a while in there. I was talking to other people that was geeking out and they have shopping addictions like me. It was pretty fun. Spent about an hour in there trying to decide what the heck I wanted. What do I do with my life? But yeah, then we got some lunch. So I just had a chicken cheesesteak with french fries, and now I'm trying to open this box. I went to go swimming in my pool, but we keep having like freak weather and it's storming like crazy, thunderstorms. You know, I'm just gonna go film this video for you guys because I'm dressed from coming home from the mall and I can't go swimming yet. I know I talk a lot, but I'm trying to get this box open. Let's get up. Pikachu! You would think if I could carry all the shopping bags with the way I shop, I can open this box. Let's go! Oh no! Oh my god. What? That was a weird noise. What even? Baby! I feel like most people unbox things in like 2 minutes and here Sam is, you know, probably, who knows, maybe I'm at like 8 minutes, who knows, it's me, I don't know, maybe 5, trying to open this Pikachu. Look, Pika, Pika, Pikachu, cutie, let's see, cute, oh my gosh, Pikachu, cutie, I need help. This is the cutest thing in the world! Oh, where am I gonna put this thing? Man, I need help. Like, you have seen my stash. This is not even a puppet because I have a whole bunch of Funko Pops over there. It looks like when the stores do shipment. Like, it's really bad. And my bed has stuffed animals. There's stuff everywhere, but you're just seeing like part of it right here. I have some issues, guys. But like, okay, let's move this table. I want to do a quick like measurement here. Let's see. Because of his, well, the ears, yes, it is bigger than the Harry Potter Funko Pop. But isn't this so cute, guys? I love this Funko Pop. I must make my way outside with this gorgeous, gorgeous creature and take some photos. My neighbors have seen me do some weird things in my yard, so they're always out there when I'm doing weird things. I mean, I go out there in my robe, my wands, my invisibility cloak, making dance videos outside. I mean, I think they find me very interesting because they only come out when I go out there, all of my neighbors, like nobody's out there. And then I go out there and then everybody comes out. And then, you know, when I'm with my 18-inch pop, I do weird things. I probably entertain them, but isn't that Funko so cute? So guys, let me know that it was $100, by the way. Yeah, that's how much it was, but it was a surprise gift and I kind of expected it, to be honest, but I didn't because I wasn't sure. But if you guys wanted to know how much that Pikachu was, it's $100. It was at GameStop. I do not know where else they would sell that, to be honest, because like I said, I follow so many Funko pages and I never saw that Pikachu before. I didn't even know that it existed. So if you guys want Pikachu, then try GameStop. It was the only one there. It was just sitting by the window, so there's that story for you. And guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notifications bell, leave some comments down below. Let me know, do you guys have any addictions similar to mine? Are you as bad as me? Or do you have some kind of self-control? Because I just don't. I mean, I just don't. And are you going to be getting this Pikachu? I really don't have room. Hopefully one day I do, but right now everything, I mean, if I had room, I would have everything set up totally different. It wouldn't be this way. But for now, tis the collection. And then there's more all over the place in my bedroom. And I just got this really cute clock today. This Nightmare Before Christmas Countdown Till Christmas or Halloween clock. It's gorgeous. It's ceramic. It was beautiful. But yeah, like I said, if you guys want to see more videos like this, just let me know down below. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.